Hello guys, today we're shooting this video to show you the process of the primer preparation on this 2020 Ford Mustang. This car is very special to me. This is a new project that we got this year. As you can see here, it's a 2020 Ford Mustang GT convertible, and we're installing a wide body kit on it. This car was involved in an accident and we got it. We've been repairing it. And we wanted to shoot a video today to show you the way we're prepping for primer. Right here we're dry sanding everything to make sure that there's no blems, and we're needing to sand it to get it ready for primer. Whenever you're sanding a car, you have to make sure that you can cover all the trims and any parts that you don't want to scratch out with sandpaper. So take your time to use tape and block or cover any parts you don't want to ruin by using the sandpaper close to it. One thing that I want to mention on this video is that all of these things that we're doing into this car, we're actually self-taught. We never been trained to do this professionally. We've been developing our skills over years. We've been building cars for about 15 to 16 years. And over time, we've been able to learn tips and tricks to do better jobs. And we just want to share these with you guys. After block sanding everything on the car, we try to wash it to avoid having any residue sit on the car. As I stated before, we're getting it ready for primer. So we're just sanding everything and washing it. You want to try to get it really clean. You want to make sure that there's no dust anywhere. And there's several ways where you can get it all clean. We use air blow gun. We blow through it everywhere to make sure there's no dust. We wash it. And in some areas where you cannot use the sandpaper, we use these Scotch-Brite to be able to scratch the paint and let the new primer adhere to it. After checking the car a couple times to make sure that there's no dents or any scratches or things that we were able to see, I like to run my hand by the whole car and make sure that I didn't miss anything. Once we double check for any blemishes, we're ready to start taping the whole car. We want to make sure we cover all the parts to avoid any overspray of the primer into the motor, the glass, in any areas that you don't want to affect with the primer. Over the time, we developed a little more knowledge about things. We have messed up quite a few times, and whenever you're doing something like this, you want to make sure you take the time to cover everything. Overspray, it's something that you really don't want to have all over trim parts or glass or the interior of the car. You need to use a lot of tape, a lot of masking paper. I used to be concerned about the amount of tape that I was having to use on these, and I've learned that the tape is the cheapest and most effective way of masking your car. So whenever you're doing these, keep in mind you're gonna need a bunch of rolls, and don't be stingy with it. Use it, cover everything, take the time to cover everything, because once you overspray, you are gonna have to do a lot of work to be able to clean it, and there's no need for that. So just do it right from the beginning. We have these tire covers that we got in a tool store. They were pretty cheap. You want to cover your wheels, your tires, and clean everything twice, and get it ready for paint. Okay, so we're ready to start spraying the primer on these, and we just wanted to show you the process, how we do it. Again, this is not for the professionals. We are self-taught. We're shooting this video just to share with people that may have questions or wanted to see what the process is like to do primer on a car before you get it ready for paint. But that was all I wanted to sure to you, please stay tuned. We're going to be shooting more videos of this car. This car is going to be awesome. As you can see, it's a pretty nice looking car. Thank you for watching, guys.